Good morning, students. Myself Rajesh sir. We are learning drawing art. So let's start the drawing subject. So let's start the drawing. You have to practice the lines first. See here. You have to maintain same distance when you are drawing the line. Okay. Now straight line. Try to maintain the same distance in between two lines. Okay, this will help you in your drawing when you are doing design, memo drawing or any work. Now the wavy line. Okay, now crisscross line. Okay, now slanting line. So you understood about the lines. Now next line is a curved line. It is moving anywhere. So this line you can practice many times. Now curved lines. Half circle है, semi circle. Now opposite side. You have to practice. This will help you in your drawing. So when we are doing the drawing, no need to again erase it again and again. Okay, now some lines and forms I will show you that will help you in your work. Now you see, if you have practiced the lines, you can do a beautiful form of a flower. So practice will help you to create the beautiful forms in your drawing. Okay, now some lines I will show you here that will create the beautiful form. For example, this line you have practiced, so you can create a beautiful form from that. See, okay, this line. So you can create like this different forms. This line can create like this form. So this form you can draw in design. So like this different form you can create. To make your drawing beautiful. So I hope you are understanding what I am telling you. Now for design a leaf. So directly you can draw it. Now here you can see I am doing detail here. So like this a different form you can create. Okay. This can create a beautiful bird. So different forms you can make with the lines. For example, like this. So see, you can create other form also. First we will not able to draw, no problem. You can practice every day or when you will get time, then you will be expert. Okay, this is one form. This is also one form. So you can use this form in the design. Okay, see this form, myself. One more form I will draw here. Okay, so like this you can draw. Like this also form you can create. Here also you can create one more form. Okay, so different forms you can create by practicing lines, so you will be able to do the beautiful design, freehand forms. So practice lines and forms whenever you will get time, and you show me maximum drawing maximum shapes here drawn. I will take one more paper and I will do the work. You can show the butterfly shape. This can also you can use in your design. This also form, you can see both the sides same. So you can create the beautiful forms. You can create your own form also. Okay. Fish. Very simplified form. Like this. Okay. Then like this. This is also different way you can draw. I am showing downwards. Any direction you can show this. This also creates very beautiful in your design. Create beauty in your design. Okay. So this is the form. You can do the one more butterfly for bird form. Like this. Okay. So you can create many forms, or here also you can draw one more form. Remaining space. This also can be used in the design. This is single now, but when you will do in design, you will repeat again and again the same size or different size. This will look beautiful. Now one more thing, you have to practice the lines like this. Okay. These lines are useful in the design or object drawing. So you can, when you have to draw like this form, no need to rub it again. If you have practice, do the small, big. So if you are unable to draw like this, you can practice like this. Many times you will practice, your hand will be the free, small, big. So you will be able to do this form. Again you will practice, then you will succeed. So practice like this again and again. So you will be able to do this design. Okay. Apart from this, we have regular forms like triangle. Like this form also we are using in the design. Rectangle. So like this form also you practice. Square. parallel to this paper line I will draw in the baseline, and then height I will draw. So perfect square you will get. Okay, so here you will get the proper square. Now triangle, rectangle, square, okay, even pentagon also you can try. Pentagon not coming always, but like this pentagon also. Whenever you are doing the geometrical shapes, you can use the geometrical instruments. Okay, circle you can draw. When you are drawing circle, put the both points similar, same sides. Okay, so I hope you have understood the shapes, forms, design. You can practice. Okay, maximum you practice at home and show me. Okay, so practicing is your assignment. Practicing like this form, creating new form or same form is your assignment. Okay, I hope everybody is understood. Thank you.